Hello everyone, welcome to Cyberwar. My name is Victor. I just want to make a quick update on the Overture tools that I've been working on. The previous Python script was converting the Parquet files into C, separated values, but it missed a lot of them. Like for names, it only said common and it cut all of this data, and also for some of the other columns, so you're missing a lot of data if you're using that converter. So just so you know, I updated this one, so it's this file here, Parquet to CSV.py. That's one. But now, as you can see, it makes a column, this column here, with JSON or JSON-ish type of content inside, and that's not ideal. So what I did, I made another file, another script, which I called it expand, that takes these and it basically makes columns for like the name of the place, the language, or the elements of the address and all that. So you might want to have a look. I'm working now to convert all of this to comma separated values, also to SQL, and to upload them for an easier way to ingest. Of course, Parquet is the optimal way, but some of you might have some other tools in place that work better with CSV because it's grepable, or with SQL. So I'm doing this mostly for myself, but I'm also recording what I'm doing, so it might help somebody. That's it basically. Thank you for watching. Oh wait, I wanted to show you how the other one works, because so the output of Parquet to CSV is this one, but I want to show you also what is the output of expand CSV. So I made a sample CSV so that we have like a test case, because it takes forever. So this is, for example, the sample. You see how it's like that, and if we run expand sample expanded CSV, this for example, you see here, this is the name of the place. It's split, it separated it. It also has like a separate category, and some elements of the address. Depends on, like, some of the values are there, some are not. It's possible that I have an error in the script, but still, this is the gist of it. So we're going towards this. For example, this row here, we have the name separate, the language, category, main category, alternate categories, and also some other values like okay, so this one is broke the, yeah, I need to work on it. It broke the VBox, doesn't work. Anyway, you got the gist of it. I'm gonna work on correcting that VBox, and it's on here. All right, thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.